Hi, all. Welcome to Demystifying Markets. So, this is a learning video in English for market profile, and it's one of the key concept in market profile, which we are going to discuss it now. And these are the concepts of very important in market profile. I'll tell you very clearly, and do not skip the video because it's a very important. Important concept in market profile which will give you a trending days and most of the momentum days in market. I can tell you there are so many concepts in market profile, and each and every concept will tell you what kind of momentum it can create, and again what concept the market is in now. Currently market is in which concept, and what is the next concept that is going to come along with this, and the continuity of the concept will appear in market profile because we are doing a data research. It is not an indicator, it is completely a data research. So it will tell you the current condition and the next condition that is going to appear, so that becomes your expectations, and if your expectation matches with the market, then definitely your trade will be in success, and you will have a very good tight SL and entry and exit. Everything will be very clear in market profile. As well as I told you before, like based on market profile itself, uh, we can make trading decisions. It is not necessary that you have to use the traditional chart. So market profile will give you a lot of information more than a traditional chart. So traditional charts alone is not very helpful, right? So that's how the market profile will tell you more information, and it will give you a lot of hidden information what the FI or the smart money people are doing it, and it will give you a lot of information about the true and the fake things that is really happening in the market. So we'll not get into the bad trades, so it will definitely filter the bad trades and all. So I'll give you an example. So before that, so we'll discuss the stock of Titan actually. So this is actually one of the beautiful example for the concept of inventory and inventory resumption. I'll tell you with that. And before getting into that, if you would like to be a part of the January 11th, 2025 English batch, so kindly contact the WhatsApp number. I'll tell you the process. So this is a weekend batch, Saturday and Sunday. Every per day it is 2.5 hours to 3 hours, and from the beginning of the market profile till the advanced level, we'll discuss a lot in it, completely practical. So nothing we are going to discuss in theory. So what are the sessions we are having it on weekend? So live trading session Monday to Friday will be opening a Telegram group separate for the training members, and they can ask their questions. So we will also assign some homeworks based on the concepts which we are actually revised last week. So that's how the training process will goes, and whatever the doubts you have in the market, entire market, not only in market profile. So whatever the doubts you have in market, maybe of commodity, maybe of index, maybe of stocks, so you can raise your questions and we'll be answering for that. And so to and fro there will be chart work. So based on that, it will tell you very clearly the market profile, what kind of trader you have to be on the particular day, whether you have to be an intraday player, scalper, or swing trader, or long term position. It will tell you very clearly. So if you would like to learn the market profile along with the order flow settings, so kindly contact the WhatsApp number, and the registration is going on. So for 11th batch. Okay, so getting into this inventory, what is inventory? Inventory is something like it cannot be done by a retailer. It has to be done by an institution. So the big money player or the smart money player, what they will do is they wanted a fair price. So what they will do is they will actually keep the market down. So they will actually, from where it has gone, from where the real breakout has happened, what they will do is they want a fair price again to accumulate. So they will book profits. So if they book profits, what happened after booking profits? The market started to fall, and some of the retailers also will join accordingly. So because the breakout on downside it is happening, because it was actually initiated by the smart money. So along with the smart money, if the retailers also join, what happened? The market started to fall very clearly, and one point of time, if they find the fair value, that is the most important thing in market profile. So they have to find a fair value. So if they found a fair value, what happened? They will immediately do a resumption. That is called an inventory resumption. So inventory is powerful again because it is done by the institution. So inventory is done by the institution, and one point of time, if they find the fair value, what happened, they will do an inventory resumption. So inventory and inventory resumptions will give you a trending days in market. And inventory resumption, if you see, it is very very powerful, very very powerful, double the times powerful than inventory. Because if you see last 10 days in 10 to 12 days in Titan, they are doing an inventory, but what happens, they just covered that entire inventory or entire points in just 4 days, because this is an inventory resumption days. So inventory resumption days consist of only 4 days to cover the 10 days fall. So that's how the inventory resumption is very powerful, and every day you could find a smart money coming into that level. If you see, from 3250 to 3550 in just 4 days, Titan has gone to this level because it's an inventory resumption. And the inventory slowly it is doing, it is one of the method. There are also so many methods which we discuss in our training. So if you wish to learn market profile, so kindly join the training process which is going to start with this weekend. And this is completely for educational purpose. Kindly do your analysis before you take trade. And thank you for your participation. And if you really like the analysis, kindly do the like and share. Thank you.